Good morning, students. Now we'll solve numericals based on the formulas which we have studied earlier. Now let us see how these formulas are applicable in such numericals. Okay, so now we'll solve step by step every question so that it will be more clearer to us. Okay, so now let us see the first of all, first numerical we'll see they are asking about to find the value of first is sine 75. So we all know we don't have the value given in the book, that is sine 75 degree. So how we will sort it out? We can write like this: sine, we can write sine 45 plus 30. Okay, we can do like this. So we'll now apply the formula of writing this, that is sine x plus y. So the formula given is sine x plus y is, what is the formula for it? Sin x plus y is sin x cos y. We'll write like this: sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, this is the formula for sin x plus y. We have that is we have sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here x is 45 and y is 30. So let us see how we able to do it. Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. So now how we are able to solve? Write the value. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 into cos 30, that is root 3 upon 2, plus cos 45 1 upon root 2 into sin 30 is half. So now I got the value by solving it. So I got, by taking the LCM, I found 2 root 2. Okay, so that is how we can solve this such kind of numerical. Okay, one more we have here, that is tan 15 degree. Next question now we have. Now I have lots of questions, so we'll solve them one by one. That is tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree means you can write 45 minus 30. Now, what is the formula for tan x minus y? That is tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. So have to remember those formulas for solving such kind of numericals. Now tan x minus tan y, here x is 45 and y is 30. So tan 45 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Now tan 45, 1 minus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 into 1 upon root 3. So now we got this. Let us solve it further by taking LCM. I got this one. Okay, so now like this we got. Now what we will do? Now our next step is take the to rationalize. So root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. So now I got root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Okay. Further we can rationalize and find our answer. What will happen? A minus b into a minus b. A minus b ka whole square upon a plus b into a plus b. A plus b ka whole square. Oh, so it will be negative. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So you got the value a square minus b square. Now we can easily applying the formula for the square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b minus 2ab upon now what is left with 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. What here we can take? We can take 2 common from the numerator. So what is left with? So my final answer is 2 minus root 3. Okay? So likewise, we can solve such kind of numericals. Okay? So I hope it's now clear to you how we can apply in this formula. Okay? Now we'll try to solve more numericals. Now my next question is the question which is given I have now. Let us see how we'll apply formulas in this and the values. The most important this chapter. They are asking about, you need to prove first one, sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus half. Okay, this is the question here. Now what to do is, let us try to sort it out. First we will find LHS here. LHS is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Now pi by 6 means 30 degree. Now what is sin 30? Half. But here they have given square, so we'll keep it square plus cos square pi by 3 60. Cos 60. Cos 60 is also we have half, so square of half. Minus 10, 45 is 1. So what you got? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Now taking the LCM, I have got this 1 plus 1 2. Oh sorry, this one will be 4 minus 4 upon 4. So minus 2 upon 4 is equal to minus half. I found my answer. Okay, so that is how we can easily find the value. Okay, so now let us see how we can sort it out. In that case, now this is a numerical I have sorted out. Now let us see same kind of another numerical. Now I have in my hand, it is the question they are asking about, that is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Okay, we need to prove this. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. So let us see how we can sort it out. Just first take the LHS, that is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Okay, so now we'll try to solve this out. Now what is the value of cot 30? Cot 30 means, cot 30 is cot theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So now cot 30 will be the, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3, so it will be root 3 whole square plus cosec 5 pi by 6. So what is this value? If I say this value is 30, 150, but we don't know the value of 150 sorry. So what we can do is, we can write like this. What we have done in our previous classes, using that quadrant we have know how to sort it out. Now see, cosec I am talking about in the second quadrant, because in second quadrant sine and cosec is positive. Okay, so now I got this one plus 3 tan square pi by 6 tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 upon root 3. So directly I can write 1 upon root 3 whole square. So now 3 plus, we will write cosec pi by 6 plus 1. So now 3 plus, now what is cosec 30? Reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is half. So I will got here 2 plus 1. So what I got? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And what I needed is an RHS. 6 is equal to RHS. So now see how we can solve such kind of numericals, but we have to clear our concept first, so that it will be easier for us to solve. Okay, because this is a chapter trigonometry, and in trigonometry you know the concept and the formulas. Two things we have to be clear before going to solve all the numericals. Okay, now let us see more numericals and try to see how, try to learn, practice more and more, because this chapter is my favorite chapter. Seriously, this chapter is a, you know, is very unique chapter. Okay, now let us do more numericals so that we can easily able to clear this topic in our mind. Okay, so now we'll solve more numericals. Now my next question, now my next series of questions are based on what? That is to prove. So now I have few questions here. For example, now they are asking about tan power 4 minus x upon tan power 4 minus x. So y is plus, in the denominator it is minus. Now we have to prove this to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. Now let us try to sort it out. Now let us solve first LHS. Now tan power 4 plus x upon tan power 4 minus x. Now let us try to solve this. Tan a plus b. What is the formula for tan a plus b? Or we can say tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan x, that is tan power 4, tan y, that is tan x. So now we can see, and now in denominator also we'll go to tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan power 4 tan x. Okay, so now what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So I will write 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. You know, because tan 45 is 1. Below here also, what is there? Tan pi 4 minus tan x. 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Okay, now take it to the reverse. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. So we can see now a plus b into a plus b upon a minus b into a minus b. So I can write 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. whole square is equal to RHS. What I needed in this 1 plus tan x, 1 minus tan x the whole square. So very simple, just you need to know the value of the trigonometric ratio which is to be apply here, insert here, and the formula for tan x plus y and tan x minus y. So that is how we can easily solve such kind of numerical. Okay. Okay. Now we'll try to solve more numericals. Now the next numerical will try to solve what is given. Let us see and try to sort it out what they are asking. Now the question is they are asking about, that is cos pi plus x cos minus x upon, they have given sin pi minus x, okay, cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. Okay, now we need to see how we can solve such kind of numerical. Now let us take LHS, that is cos pi plus x cos minus x upon sin pi minus x and cos pi by 2 plus x. Now we can see cos pi plus x. I am talking about the third quadrant where cos will be negative. Okay, so I can write cos minus x into cos minus x upon sin pi minus x. I am talking about the second quadrant where sin is positive. Okay, another one, cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x will be what? It will be converted into sin, and here cos is negative. So I will write this sin minus x. So that is how what we can solve. Now cos x into cos x, that is cos square x, sin x into sin x, but minus will be minus, so it will be sin square x. See, cos minus x is cos x, but sin minus x is minus sin x. Now, so I got it, this cot square x. Okay, so finally I solve this numerical like this. So we need to sort it out in a very simple way. Only need to remember the formulas and the identities, then we can easily sort it out this kind of numerical. Okay, so now we'll try to solve more numerical. Let us see next one. What is the question is given is they are asking, that is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. We have to prove it to minus root 2 sin x. Now let us see how we can sort it out. Let us solve first LHS, that is cos 3 pi by 4 plus cos minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so we can see this is x, this is y. So now the formula is cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y, x plus y by 2 minus 2 sin x plus y by 2, and we have the sin x minus y by 2. So we will solve sin x minus by x minus y by 2. So now you can sort it out here. Minus 2 sin, if I see, this will be reduced and will add these. So what I will get, 3 pi plus 3 pi, 6 pi by 4 plus by 2 will divide it, will get 8. Okay, into sine. What will happen here? I am just opening the bracket. It's okay, so that I can easily find the value here. So now I got what this. So now I got this. 2 3s 2 into 4. So I got minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4, and sine I have got 2x by 2. It will be reduced. Now we can see that now 3 pi by 4, which angle will be if I divide this, this is sine, okay. So if I take this sine, let us take it in second quadrant, sine pi minus pi by 4, okay. So here pi minus pi by 4 in sine x. Now you can see pi minus pi by 4 in second quadrant, sine 45 will be 1 upon root 2. So we got this value into sine x. Now we can rationalize it, and we got this sine x, okay. So now minus 2 root 2 upon 2, root 2 into root 2 will be reduced by upper 1. So now I got this minus root 2 sine x. That is what we have to prove with RHS, okay. So this is given. So that is how now we can prove, okay, by using the simple identity I have used here, cos x minus cos y. That is, I have to write an identity also, okay. We have to take care of this, which identity I am using it. So I can say cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sine x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2, okay. So this is the formula, and now using this formula I have just applied it, and here also I have used one formula using that graph, okay. So that is how we can prove in a very similar way, okay. Now we will solve next numerical, and let us see how these identities and formulas can be easily applied, okay. So now I am solving next numerical. Let us see what is to be solved or what is to be asked. Now we have the question in my hand. Now the question is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, that is pi is there, okay, and plus cot 2 pi plus x, okay. Now they have given, and we need to prove this is equal to 1, okay. So now they are asking about this. So let us see if is able to solve it or not. Now first of all, let's take LHS. Now LHS is, okay, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x, and in the bracket we have cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x, okay. So now let's solve this. Now cot 90 plus theta we have here, 270 plus x will be sin x, and here in fourth quadrant it's talking about, so we can say very easily that in fourth quadrant cos x is positive, into cos 2 pi plus x. Now it is talking about 2 pi plus x, so it's now it's talking about first quadrant. Here all ratios are positive. Now multiply inside, we have cot 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta will be tan theta, and we all know that tan theta or cot theta is positive in third quadrant. Okay. Now furthermore, we are asking about cot 2 pi plus x, that is in first quadrant. All ratios are positive, so we can write like this. Now we need to sort it out further. So now I can write 10, that is sin x upon cos x, plus cot we can write cos x upon sin x. Okay, so now sin x into cos x. Here what we will do, we will take the LCM now. Take the LCM. Now sin x cos x. Now if I divide sin x by cos x, we got sin into sin square x, plus if we divide sin x by cos x by sin x, we got cos x into cos x, cos square x. So now sin x and cos x will be reduced by this, and sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. So finally we able to sort it out using the, here what I have used, the only that quadrant, that graph, okay, in which that is shown that which trigonometric ratio will be positive or negative. Using that I have just solved that numerical. Okay, so like this. Now let us solve next numerical. We have now it is given that cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y. Okay, so now it is given and we need to prove it with this sin x plus y. Okay, now let us see. Now LHS is there first of all. So now LHS, let us put it here, cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y. Now LHS is given. This, let us take it first. We'll solve in parts. Let us solve this first. Cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y. What we will do? Multiply it with 2 and divide it by 2. So 2 cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y. Okay. Now we can apply the formula here. That is, now they are asking about the formula, that is 2 cos x cos y. We'll write it here, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Cos, here x is this, y is this. So cos x plus y, okay, plus cos x minus y. Okay, so now this is what? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So now let us solve it to further. What I will get here, now cos, when I add this, so pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x plus y. Okay, I am separating like this, plus cos. What will happen now? Minus 4 minus x, minus 4 plus y. Okay, so now I got this, half cos, if I add this, 2 pi by 4 plus cos minus x plus y. Okay, so now I left with this power 2. Now cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So I got this. Cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta. Sin x plus y. Here we got plus cos minus x plus y. Okay. So now I left with this. So this is the, let us consider this A part. Now try to solve the B part. Here the B part is sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. Okay. Now multiply with 2. Okay. So what we can do here is just multiply and divide by 2. So I got this sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. Okay. So this is what they have given. Now we can consider this. Now we will see about this, that now I can take this. Now 2 sin x sin y. We have the formula for minus 2 sin x sin y. So we can write it now. Minus 2 sin x sin y cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. So it will be cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Okay. Likewise, we can do it cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. So now I got this for identity half. Now I left it with what? Cos x minus y. Okay. Pi by 4 minus x minus pi by 4 minus y. Okay. So I am doing this. Minus cos x plus y pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Okay. So we need to do this. So now what is left with half pi by 4 minus x minus pi by 4 plus y. Minus cos here same pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x plus y. Okay. So I got what? Half cos minus x plus y minus cos 2 pi by 4 minus x plus y. Okay. Now you can easily understand pi by 2. So half cos minus x plus y minus x plus y. Here it is like this. Now cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So I will got this. I will got this. That is sin theta. So I got this B. I have solved. Now put these two values here, A and B here. So what I will got here is this one. So I will take half common. I will put here sin x plus y plus cos minus x plus y. Here minus half I have taken outside. So minus is there. So it will be minus cos minus x plus y and minus plus sin x plus y. Okay. So now this is written by this. Now what is left with? Half sin x plus y plus sin x plus y. So you got 2 sin x plus y. Okay. So this is written by this. So I got sin x plus y is equal to RHS, which is required. Okay. So we can see here that I have divided this one numerical in LHS, that is in two parts, A part and B part. Okay. So now this is A part I have solved first, then B part I have solved. And two identities I have applied here, that is cos x, 2 cos x cos y, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and 2 sin x and y, that is cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. I have just reversed the sign because I have just taken 2 2 sin x sin y, not minus 2 sin x sin y, but actually the formula is for minus 2 sin x sin y. Okay, so that is that we can solve like this. Okay.